Hello there, warriors. Let's talk about an underrated superfood. This is a beetroot, one of nature's most precious seasonal bounties. This root vegetable peaks during the colder months of winter. It has an earthy and mildly sweet flavor that pairs incredibly well with savory spices like clove and nutmeg. With a deep ruby red interior, beetroots are delicious, nutritious, easy to cook, and a lot more than a simple side dish. Sweet potatoes have insane medical benefits and were touted as a vital source of winter sustenance since prehistoric times. It was used for its nutritious properties, as well as for being a rich source of natural sugars from tea, herbal medicines, as well as in the dyeing industry. During times of the Napoleonic Wars, when the British Army restricted trade of sugarcane, beetroot was Napoleon's alternative to sugar. Just half of a beetroot has a lot more fiber than 2 tablespoons of rice. Would you believe that one cooked beetroot contains more potassium than a banana and 3 times more magnesium than a potato? We are just getting started, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned to find out the amazing benefits of adding a glass of beetroot juice in your daily diet in this ultimate guide to beetroots. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. The nutrients in beet juice are in a bioavailable form, meaning they are easily absorbed by the body. This enhances their effectiveness in supporting various physiological functions. Beet juice is relatively low in calories, making it a nutrient-dense choice for those seeking to maintain a healthy weight. Beet juice contains a notable amount of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant known for its role in supporting the immune system. Vitamin C helps the body defend against infections and contributes to the overall health of the immune system. Beets are also a good source of potassium and manganese, minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining proper fluid balance, nerve signals, muscle contractions, metabolism, and bone formation. They contribute to the formation of connective tissues and help in the absorption of other nutrients. Speaking of other nutrients, beet juice is a treasure trove with a great balance of vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, vitamin B6, copper, and magnesium. These work together in harmony to support the bodily functions including growth, metabolism, brain function, and cardiovascular health. Number 2. Dietary nitrate content. Beets, and consequently beet juice, are rich in dietary nitrates. Nitrate is a compound found in various vegetables, with particularly high concentrations in beets. When you consume beet juice, the dietary nitrates it contains are converted into nitric oxide in the body through a series of enzymatic reactions. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that plays a crucial role in various physiological processes. One of its primary functions is to cause vasodilation, which involves the relaxation and widening of blood vessels. Nitric oxide's ability to induce vasodilation leads to improved blood flow throughout the body. This includes increased blood flow to the heart, brain, and muscles. Vasodilation helps regulate blood pressure by reducing the resistance that the blood encounters as it flows through the vessels. This can contribute to lower blood pressure levels. Number 3. Cardiovascular boost. The converted nitric oxide helps the smooth muscles of blood vessels relax, reducing resistance and making it easier for blood to flow. The widened blood vessels allow for increased blood flow, reducing the strain on the cardiovascular system and potentially lowering both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Beet juice's antioxidants, such as betalains, may also contribute to blood vessel health by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation. The nitric oxide produced from beet juice consumption can enhance the efficiency of oxygen utilization by the muscles and further reduce the strain on the heart to pump blood and nutrients to the muscles during high-activity sessions. Number 4. Athletic performance. Nitric oxide helps increase blood flow to muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. This can improve the efficiency of energy production in the muscles. By improving oxygen and nutrient delivery, beet juice may reduce the overall oxygen demand of muscles during physical activity, contributing to enhanced performance. Nitric oxide may also positively influence mitochondrial efficiency, the cellular structures responsible for energy production, by supporting the production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of cells. Improved oxygen utilization is particularly beneficial during high-intensity aerobic exercise. Athletes may experience enhanced endurance, allowing them to sustain high-intensity efforts for a more extended period. Studies have shown that athletes who consumed beet juice experienced improvements in time trial performance, suggesting increased efficiency and endurance. While much of the research has focused on endurance sports like running and cycling, the benefits of improved oxygen utilization may extend to other sports requiring sustained effort. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory effect. Betaine is a naturally occurring compound found in beets and other foods like spinach and whole grains. Betaine has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system and an important part of the healing process after any injury or ailment. But persistent or chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions, including cardiovascular diseases and certain inflammatory disorders. Betaine plays a role in the methylation process, a biochemical reaction in the body involved in the regulation of inflammation. Some studies suggest that betaine may help reduce the levels of inflammatory markers, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, in the blood. Betaine has been studied to inhibit factors that are key regulators of inflammation, leading the production of pro-inflammatory molecules like cytokines, which make the inflammatory process smooth and non-persistent. Some research suggests that betaine in beet juice may have a protective effect in conditions characterized by chronic inflammation, such as rheumatoid arthritis, as well as conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, which are forms of inflammatory bowel diseases. Betaine's anti-inflammatory effects may complement the antioxidant properties of other compounds in beets, such as betalains and anthocyanins. Number 6. Potent antioxidants. Betalains are water-soluble pigments responsible for the vibrant red and yellow colors in beets. Anthocyanins are another group of water-soluble pigments responsible for the red, purple, and blue colors in certain fruits and vegetables, including beets. These compounds act as potent antioxidants known for their ability to scavenge free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced during normal metabolic processes and in response to environmental factors. Betalains counteract the harmful effects of free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. Beyond their antioxidant properties, betalains and anthocyanins also exhibit anti-inflammatory effects. This can be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic diseases. Antioxidants in beet juice help protect cells and tissues from oxidative stress, which can lead to damage and contribute to the aging process. By neutralizing free radicals, beet juice antioxidants support cellular health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with oxidative damage. The immune system can benefit from reduced oxidative stress, allowing immune cells to function optimally and respond effectively to threats. The antioxidants in beet juice may particularly contribute to cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This can potentially support the health of blood vessels and the heart. They may also have protective effects on the brain. This is particularly relevant to cognitive health, potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Number 7. Cognitive function. Beet juice is rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide's vasodilatory effects lead to improved blood flow throughout the body, including to the brain. This increased blood flow is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. The brain is highly metabolically active and requires a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to function optimally. Improved blood flow ensures a more efficient delivery of these essential elements. Increased blood flow also helps transport glucose, the brain's primary energy source, to support cognitive processes such as learning, memory, and decision-making. Beet juice has been associated with increased cerebral perfusion, meaning more blood reaches the brain tissue. Adequate blood flow to the brain is essential for memory consolidation and optimal learning. Improved circulation may positively impact these cognitive functions and can support sustained attention and concentration, potentially reducing mental fatigue. Efficient blood flow facilitates the exchange of waste products for nutrients and oxygen, aiding in the removal of potentially harmful substances from the brain. Compounds in beets, such as betalains, exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are linked to neurodegenerative conditions, and reducing their impact may have a neuroprotective effect. Some research suggests that regular consumption of nitrate-rich foods, including beet juice, may have preventive effects against age-related cognitive decline. Number 8. Weight management. Beet juice contains some amount of dietary fiber, albeit in very less amounts compared to whole beets. Fiber is essential for digestive health as it adds bulk to the stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps prevent constipation. Certain types of dietary fiber act as prebiotics, serving as food for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is associated with improved digestion and overall well-being. Fiber can slow the absorption of sugar, promoting more stable blood sugar levels. This is relevant for maintaining overall health and may be particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Beet juice is relatively low in calories, making it a suitable beverage for those who are mindful of their caloric intake. Incorporating low-calorie options can be part of a balanced diet for weight management. Despite being low in calories, beet juice is nutrient-dense, providing essential vitamins and minerals. This makes it a nutritious choice for individuals looking to maintain or lose weight without sacrificing nutritional content. The best part is that beet juice contributes to overall hydration due to its water content. Adequate hydration is crucial for maintaining optimal digestive function, promoting nutrient absorption, and supporting various bodily processes. Staying well hydrated helps soften stool and facilitates smoother bowel movements, reducing the likelihood of constipation. Hydration is essential for the proper absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract. Consuming fluids, such as beet juice, supports this process and contributes to overall nutrient utilization. Oh my dear warriors, who could have thought that a simple root vegetable could prove to be such a beneficial addition to our daily diet? You can even use cooked beetroot instead of beet juice for the additional benefit of its high fiber content. I personally love a cooked beetroot, chopped into cubes and lightly spiced with salt and pepper along with some curd. What is your favorite way to eat beetroot? Let us know in the comments below. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.